Hey guys, welcome to BM Cell Phone Repair. Today we get the Samsung S24 Ultra screen crack. Let's do it. Okay, first one, we have to put in air in a bag, and then we able to try to take it out the bad glass without any damage. Now we able to take it out the whole screw, antenna, and unplug cable flags. More screws on the loudspeaker side. Now we'll go to test the new part. This is the original screen from Samsung, OBM part. Now we'll take out to the motherboard and put in the heat pad. Now, after the screen test, we able to stick a new screen on.